Hey my dear students, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we will continue with the exercise 1.2. We are going to do the rest of the three sums which we had left over. In our previous video, we have done till question number 18. Now let's turn to question number 19. So let's read the question. Let's read the question number 19. 15 pastries and 12 biscuits have been donated for a school feast. These are to be packed in several smaller identical boxes with the same number of pastries and biscuits packets in each. How many biscuit packets and how many pastries will each box contain? In question number 19, it is given that there are 15 pastries and 12 biscuit packets which we have to donate for a school feast. Now we have to pack these pastries and biscuit in several identical boxes. So we have to pack this biscuit and pastry in that way so that each box contain the same number of pastries and biscuit. So we have to find out how many biscuit packets and how many pastries each box contain. So there is nothing mentioned. So we have to find, obviously we have to find the maximum value of pastries and biscuit, and for that we will apply Euclid division lemma. Okay, let's do. So number of pastries given 15, number of biscuits given 12. Okay, now number of identical boxes is equals to SCF of 15 and 12. Okay, so by using Euclid division lemma, (15) divided by 12, so 1 times 15, 12, 3. So 15 equals to plus 3, 12 equals to 3 into 4 plus 0. So therefore SCF we get 3. Now number of identical boxes equals to 3. So boxes we get 3. Now number of pastries in each box, number of pastries 15. Now if we divide this number of pastries with the number of boxes, we get 3 5s are 15. So in one box there are 5 pastries. Okay, now again for number of biscuits in each box, so 12 divided by 4. So in one box contain 4 biscuit packets. Now read question number 20. 105 goats, 140 donkeys and 175 cows have to be taken across a river. There is only one boat which will have to make many trips in order to do so. The lazy boatman has his own conditions for transporting them. He insists that he will take the same number of animals in every trip, and they have to be of the same kind. He will naturally like to take the largest possible number each time. Can you tell how many animals went in each trip? So the question says that there are 3 different kinds of animals which we have to take in across a river. Now, but the boatman has only one boat, and he was so lazy, so he don't want to make many trips. For that, he make his own condition for transporting them. So he says that he will take the same number of animals and of the same kind in every trip. Okay, and he also says that he take the largest possible number each time. So here we have to find out how many animals went in each trip. So for finding the largest possible number in each trip, we have to, that means we have to find out the SCF of these 3 numbers. Okay, let's do. So number of goats equals to 105. Number of donkeys equals to 140. Number of cows equals to 175. Largest possible number in each trip equals to SCF of 140, 175. Okay, so now let's find the SCF. 105, 140, 175. If we take from 7, it will be 15, 20, and 175 25 times. Okay, now from 5, 3, 20 times, 4, 5, 25 5 times. Okay, SCF is equal to 7 into 5 equals to 35. So we get the SCF 35. That means in each trip the boatman takes 35 animals. Okay, so hence number of animals went in each trip equals to 35. Okay, this is the answer. Now let's move to question number 21. The length, breadth and height of a room are 8 meter 25 centimeter, 6 meter 75 centimeter and 4 meter 50 centimeter respectively. Determine the longest rod which can measure the 3 dimensions of the room exactly. Here in this question, the length, breadth and height of a room are given. Now we have to determine the longest rod which can measure these 3 dimensions of the room. Here one hint is given, that longest rod, that means highest common factor. So in this question we have to find out the SCF of all these 3 numbers. Okay, 21. Length of a room 8 meter 25 centimeter. Here we have to convert this meter into centimeter. Okay, So we all know that in 1 meter there is 100 centimeter. Okay, so 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. That means 8 meter is equal to 800 centimeter. So 800 plus 25, that means 825 centimeter. Hmm. 8 meter 75 centimeter, that means 600 plus 75, 675 centimeters. Now height of a room, 4 meter 50 centimeter, that means 450 centimeter. Now SCF of 825, 635 and 440. Okay, using Euclid division. Okay. 675, 1 times 675, 150, 4 times 600. Okay, now again we divide. So 75, 2 times 150. Okay, so the last divisor is 75. Now we have one more number here, 450. So with the last divisor we divide again a 450. Okay, so 75 6 times 450. So the SCF is 75 centimeter, which is the longest rod. So in this way you have to do the sums.